Alright, so right now it is about 6:53 and we're gonna be heading out to the airport soon. Pretty excited about this journey. I'm ready to go ahead and get on these flights, and pretty much gonna be a little bit of a layover over in Seattle. Gonna be over there for a couple hours, but once we get done with that layover, gonna be heading out to Iwakuni, Japan. So I'll be seeing y'all on the flight pretty soon. So we're going to Seattle, né? Yes, we're going to Seattle. Alright, so we gotta go to D10, né? Alright, then we're gonna be going down to take a nap. That's the next place we're going. Alright, so right now we have 20 minutes. We have 20 minutes to get from here to the next gate. Possibly can happen, but we'll go ahead and see if we can actually make it.
And good afternoon.
Alright, so right now we're getting ready to go to Seattle. I think it's about like a 4-hour plane ride, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take me some little naps, and that's gonna be about it. So Sachiko got a different seat than what I did, so she's gonna be behind me. That just means wherever that little armrest thing is, I get to lean back. So we're on the flight to Iwakuni. Gonna be there probably in the next 10 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little nap, and Sachio's probably gonna go ahead and try and wake me up the whole time. So I'll see y'all in about 10 hours. Alright, I'm finally in Iwakuni. I'm super excited right now. I'm actually in a hotel, so can't really do too much. I can't even leave the base as of right now until we get the welcome aboard brief and everything, which is actually going to be on Monday. So hopefully Monday, well, between Monday and maybe Friday of next week, I can go ahead and have the ability to leave base. I think Sachiko's probably going to be able to, so we'll go ahead and just see with that. But I would just say you can expect one Gundam review, which is going to be the Blue Destiny Unit 3. I actually brought that Gundam with me, but I didn't bring anything unbuilt with me just because I really didn't have the room, and I really wasn't trying to have any kind of stress with bringing a kit with me. So I don't have any kits to review as of right now, but do expect some stuff to, you know, kind of come through the pipeline in the future. I'm going to try and work on that maybe Saturday or Sunday because I'm going to have a whole bunch of time. But other than that, just stay tuned for the next review, and stay tuned for some awesome vlogs and unboxings. But hey, we made it, baby. We're in Japan.